Exceptional service and wonderful stay. Room was spacious, great service from the hotel staffs. Free parking made our trip very convenient. We can leave our car at the hotel and walk to Sake, downtown. Newly renovated and beautiful lounge for us to chill. Not forgetting the complimentary drinks and snacks at the lounge. Highly recommended, especially for those taking a stop along their road trip in Nagoya. The staff is very helpful. I really appreciate Ms. Watanabe, Japanese half Peru. She is very helpful. Folded hands emoji, thank you so much. She helped me to book my bus ticket online to Takayama. I'm old and hard for me to do this. Definitely I will come back again. Thumbs up emoji, 5 stars. Hotel is a little dated but exceptional service was made up for it. Hotel interior and rooms were a little dated but still kept clean. Service was exceptional and location was great with a lot of food choices around. Nice 5 stars hotel. It's my 3rd visit. They renovated the check-in counter, now it's on the 6/F and there's also a mini lounge, provided free biscuits and drinks. Room is dated but well maintained. They provided free parking for guests. Excellent, thumbs up emoji, they will treated you as VIP guest. While you are waiting, you can sit down and relax, have free coffee, drinks and cookies. So nice, thumbs up emoji, the staff is excellent, especially Ms. Watanabe. She helps me to book online to our trip to Takayama, folded hands emoji, thank you so much. Our travel was perfect, thumbs up emoji, definitely I will book again. Exceptional, very good. Family trip, cozy spacious room with 4 separate beds. Very good for family. Polite and helpful staff. Free parking. Family trip, cozy spacious room with 4 separate beds. Very good for family. Polite and helpful staff. Free parking.